Okay, well, as you can see, good morning, good morning, good morning. I just did the whole video. You know, it was a long minute, and I didn't press record, or I was recording the wrong screen that had the charts on it. So now we gonna figure it out and hop into this stock review. Let me turn this down just a little bit. Purple diamonds, but there's a lot of setups out there for this week, and I'm excited. It's almost overwhelming because it's like there's so many setups I want to try, but I know I can't try all of them. So hopefully I pick the right ones. A lot of speculation, and I don't want to get caught in the hope and the dream. So I just need to focus in, lock in on the charts, and just play. So we're gonna look at what we're gonna look at for this week. And yeah. So starting off with the Qs, okay. Qs, I see it to be very, very overbought. But I don't want to guess the top. I don't want to guess the peak, because if I guess the peak, I'm gonna get smacked, right? So, as you can see, Qs have been making all-time highs, right? And we're seeing some struggle, right? On Thursday, made all-time highs, pre-market all-time highs, rejected, came into the market. New all-time highs, but not by that much, right? Few, probably $1 or some. So coming into Tuesday, where I would want to get involved in some shorts is under 511, right? It's been nice stair-stepping moves, and this is a straight up move, and I believe if we do break 511, we will give this back here, right? And my exit will be around 507, 506. So this is one trade I have on my charts, alerted. I'm ready for it. I really want to see this thing back at 500, 502, but can't hope. I just gotta wait, because that 502 previous or all-time highs before the new all-time highs, this was a rejection area. So calls here at 502 if it ever comes into play, or when it does come into play, because we will retest it. I know it. I know we will. It's just a matter of time on when we will. So for Tuesday in this week, I'm gonna give puts a shot at 511, and yeah, we'll give that a shot. SPY, same ordeal. Stair step moves. So I believe I see at 594 is the break of the the uptrend, the short term uptrend, and I'll give this a shot, probably down to 591. I really want to see this thing back at 585, so I can long it again. But we'll see. We just gotta wait. I don't want to try to catch the top. I'm not worried about catching the top. I'm just waiting for this to come into play. Apple is one that I've tried already, and it's failed me. But I think it just needs more time. But I like how this is building. We had support here, support here, support here. This has been a channel trade. It was a channel trade for about 3 days. And this is like getting choppy here. So hopefully this isn't what we'll get chop around this area. But I'm gonna give this another shot. You can see rejections here, support, a little bit of a rejection. So we'll see. Apple, I'm gonna give it a shot, give it a try. Like I said, I still gotta narrow some of these stocks. I don't know if I'm gonna do any of these, but Q's and SPY are definitely ones I want to look at, I want to try. Apple, I'm not too sure, but I do like this level. I'll probably get in this late for a 230 push, maybe above these 227. But realistically, I should be giving it a shot at my level. But we'll see. I gave it a shot here on Friday, and it failed me. gave it a shot here on Thursday and it failed me. So I don't know if I'm gonna try to do it for a third time, but we'll see. Meta I do like. This is one that I do want to give a shot at. I'm not sure yet. I do want to see it at 583. You know, if it does come down to this 583 level, I would love to give this a long as well. You can see these were previous rejection areas, rejection, or support, rejection. So this is a beautiful level in my eyes. On Friday, we almost came into this 583 where I was gonna get alerted. I was trying to stay patient, wait for us to drop into my level before I tried long, so my risk to reward is A1. But it didn't happen. So therefore, I'm not sure if this is that pullback that we got to come into this level, which created this upside. So I might have missed this, but we'll wait and see. So that's why I said coming in Tuesday, if we're above this 589, I will grab calls here. On the thought that this is here, this 584 was our pullback bounce, right? I did give these a shot before on Thursday and Friday. Both failed me. We see we dropped below it, so I took my loss because I'm trying to stay to my rules. We eventually did get the rebound, but I did not re-enter. And now we're here. We dropped below it on Friday too. Loss too, but it's okay. It's all part of the game, and levels work. Sometimes they don't. So if we come back into this, I will grab calls. So Meta is definitely a definite watch for me. Tesla. This one's risky. This one is risky just because how much we've ran. This thing is so freaking bullish. I just don't want to get caught in the sell-off. You know what I mean? But as you can see, triple tops, rejection. We are above it. So now we gotta wait and see if this is a valid support at this 313 on the pullback. So this is something I'm gonna watch. If it shows that there's buyers here, I will get in at both 13 and 229. So Tesla's a watch for me. Then Nvidia I feel like is the most safe, the safest play in my eyes out of all of the Qs, SPY, Apple, Meta, Tesla. This is a safe one, one that I will get involved in. Just because this has just been a beautiful staircase and move, you know, push, pull back, push, pull back. So we're pulling back into this. We broke all-time highs, by the way. And we got a nice pullback into all-time highs and a bounce for more upside. Pullback. Okay, so now what I'm looking for. Okay, are we gonna bounce here again? Right. So I'm gonna wait for this 46 to come into play, and I will take this trade. This is a guaranteed watch for me, Nvidia. And yeah, and then, you know, obviously sell at the highs, 150. If it breaks, it breaks. We'll just it's just something we'll have to watch. But Nvidia's on the top of my list. Amazon, I would love for this one to come into play. This is another like Meta and Google play for me, right? All-time highs. Hopefully, stair step and move. We get a pullback into all-time highs for a potential rebound. Right? We rejected here. Now we just need to see if this rejection, our push, pullback, is this going to be a valid support? That's what we're going to see. Here, rejection. rejection, rebound, a nice push. So now, is this going to be a valid support, or is it going to break? So this is a watch for me. Google is also a watch for me. I got to be a little more cautious though on Google, just because I seen we rejected here, rejected here. We broke support, iffy. And when we came into here, right, this is recent, right? We broke above this level, came down, or sorry, here we go. Broke above. In the pre-market, we are holding. When the market opened, we got above. We got a nice pop, and it ultimately broke down. So I don't want that to happen to me here if I do take this trade, but I feel like I have to take this trade just because it's at a level where we had seen multiple rejections at and multiple support bounces. So Google's another look. There's just so many out there. It's like it's just a matter of picking and choosing. But the thing that's like worrying me about, all these stocks are at key levels, right? But if the Q's drops, right, that's gonna just cause the market to tank with it, right? So that's what I don't want to get caught in. That's why I see like puts on the Q's is like so good, but we gotta wait. It's just there's so many opportunities out here. It's just a matter of finding which one it is that's gonna be the one that is a winner. Will all of them be winners? Probably not, but could they? Probably so. So we just got my alerts set, and I'm just gonna go and narrow down which ones I'm gonna take and which ones I'm gonna take with most confidence. Nvidia, most confidence for me. This one is most confidence. The trade I'll take with the most confidence in proper risk to reward, obviously. So Nvidia, that's the only one. That's the only one that I feel like I have. Amazon, I don't know if we'll get this drop, but if it comes into play in Amazon, Nvidia, Amazon, yeah, just those two, most confidence, Amazon and Nvidia. But yeah, we'll see what this week has in store. Market is closed Monday, sadly, but it's okay. So that's my stock watch, and we'll come back on Tuesday for a pre-market analysis. And yeah, so peace out.